Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a prototype on Figma. First, open your Figma design file and ensure you are in the Prototype tab. This tab is located at the top right of your interface, next to Design and Inspect. You will use this dedicated space to define all your interactive elements and user journeys. To link frames, select an object or frame you want to make interactive. A small blue circle will appear on its right side. Click and drag this noodle to the frame you want it to navigate to. In the Interaction Details panel, choose your trigger, like OnClick, and the action, such as Navigate to. After linking, you can add animations. In the Interaction Details panel, select a transition type. Smart Animate offers sophisticated motion between similar layers. Set the duration, perhaps to 300 milliseconds, and choose an easing curve like Ease Out for a natural feel. This refines the user's journey. For more advanced prototypes, consider interactive components. These allow you to create reusable elements with built-in interactions, saving significant time. You can also define scrollable areas within frames or fix elements to the viewport. Experiment with variables and conditional logic for truly dynamic and responsive user experiences.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.